Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on when you're watching this video. Mrs. Hensley hopes you're having an awesome day today. It is Thursday. There's that naughty TH. And we're going to have a wonderful day today. Let's start with our calendar. Here we go, friends. We are in the month of September, and yesterday was September the 23rd, so what comes after 23? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Mrs. Hensley, 24. So we will put our green apple there. September the 24th, 2020. Who knows what day of the week it is today? Mrs. Hensley just told you it is Thursday. That naughty TH coming out. Today is Thursday. Let me show you what that looks like. Thursday. Okay, if today is Thursday, what comes after Thursday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday is tomorrow. Okay, Friday starts with an F. F-R. So tomorrow will be Friday. Yesterday, what comes before Thursday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, starts with a W. So yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Okay, let's see how many days we've been in school. Okay, let's add a tally for the numbers of days that we've been in school. There's always a glare on there. Hold on just a minute. I'm going to turn off a light and see if that helps. Does that help with the glare? Oh, I think it does. Little bit better. Let's see. I think that's even better. Okay. Might not be able to see Mrs. Hensley all that well, but that's okay. You don't need to see me. You need to see up here. Okay, so we're adding a day today to our numbers of days we've been in school. So let's put that in here and let's count them. We have 10 right here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's see how many I have just in my hand without that 10 there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. So we need to put a rubber band around these 10. This 10 and put it in the tens place. So let's Mrs. Hensley do that. Lift this up right here. Let's put a rubber band around them. And then let's put them inside our tens place. Oh, we have 10 right here. Mrs. Hensley put a rubber band around them, so we're going to put them in the tens. So how many tens do we have now? 1, 2. We have 2 groups of 10. Okay, so we need to add a tally. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We've been in school 20 days. We have 2 tens in here. 2 of them, and 0 ones. So we're going to write 20. 2 tens and 0 ones. That's how we write the number 20. Let's count to 20. We always start with 0. Mrs. Hensley keeps forgetting that. So Mrs. Hensley's going to write a 0 right up here. Okay? So, because there was a time that we had 0 days of school, right? Yes, it was the day before, and a lot of days before we got our 1, right? So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have been in school 20 days, friends. That's not a whole lot of days, but some. Actually, I wish we were in person, but we're not. Okay, so let's write. We're going to use purple today. September is the 9th month. 9-24-20, or the abbreviation is September period 24, 2020, or September is a long month name, isn't it? September, finger space, 24, 2020. Okay, friends. Oh, you know what? I keep forgetting. Here we go. We're going to look at our calendar real quick. And we're going to count and see how many days Avery has until her birthday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days until Avery's birthday. Yay! Avery, 5 more days. That's all. Okay, friends. Let's talk about what we're going to do today. We have our sound skills. We have our letter sound foundations chart. We are writing the letters uppercase U and lowercase u. We are writing in our September journal and drawing. We are listening to a Mrs. Wishy-Washy Farm book and giving a response to that. And you are going to count to and compare numbers of objects in 2 groups in math. And then we're revealing our farm animal from yesterday. And we're going to brainstorm about another farm animal. Okay? So, remember your choice board is out there. You need to pick one activity for today. 2 songs to sing and act out in, listen to and sing along with on our daily message. And I need to know how you're feeling today. Mrs. Sensley's a little tired today. I don't think tired's on. Oh, maybe sleepy's on there. I don't know. I'll have to look and see how I'm feeling today. I'm just a little tired. I feel like I could already use a nap, but you guys are giving me some energy, so I'll be fine. I hope you guys have a fabulous Thursday, and I will talk to you soon, friends. Bye-bye.